Hello my friend, I hope you are doing well. I am successfully completed this setup and I am going to show you how you can do this same setup for your another website or another project. So first of all, please keep in mind that for the step there are two types of configuration. One is server side GTM and one is meta conversion API gateway. So we are here using the meta conversion API gateway as you only want to use the step only for the meta tracking purpose. So I recommend all of my client, if they are use only the meta tracking, so then the meta conversion API gateway will be fine for this. So before starting, here for the I just want to show you for how can we set up for a new pixel. So for the new pixel, here is the pixel. You have to go to there, and also first of all you have to create a stape account. Don't need to create anything here. You just create a stape account. No need to create any GTM container or any meta gateway. Just a fresh, you need to create a fresh stape account. And then when you create a account, you have to go to the events manager on the pixel setting. Under the data source, you have to go to the settings, and then you can able to find a option here, conversion API, and you have to choose the conversion API gateway. Okay, when we click the conversion API gateway, this will allow you to select a option like step. When you select the step will automatically send you a email and automatically create a pixel conversion API gateway. When everything is completed, then you have to your email send an email to log in the conversion gateway API gateway here. So here we have login the conversion API gateway, and you can see the pixel will be connected as active. And then there are one more thing need to do, but that is not mandatory, but it's recommended. So when you have to go to the website here, and then you have to okay, under the data routing, you have to click on the setup here. You can I already set up this uh, DNS settings, so that you can see it's already optimized. And when you don't in a fresh account, you can see this, then you can select a button here, is about setup. So you have to write a subdomain name, that you can use any types of subdomain, but as we are using conversion API gateway, that is the short name of conversion gateway and in your main domain. So here you need to put the DNS settings for a subdomain, and here is the value of the subdomain, and that is actually potentially work on your whole main domain. So after creating this, this will take up to 24 hours. This will be ready, and you can see the signal are actually active. So when these are active, you can do you can able to see this, this is are actually connected and active. When the pixel is connected to the state conversion API gateway, you can set up your pixel on your website in your OS. So here we are using Google Tag Manager. Definitely you can use the integration the pixel by the help of the ClickFunnels or any types of platform they are using. They have the pixel integration own system, so you can put the pixel code or something like that. Here we are using the Google Tag Manager. If you are using the Google Tag Manager, that is actually pretty sometimes complex to you, as you are a new you are a new on the Google. If you are new on the Google Tag Manager, that is actually pretty complex to you. So here we have using a pixel Facebook pixel template here. When you click this, actually you have to create new tag here, and you have to select the pixel template here. You can see the pixel template are already in here. First of all, on the new GTM container, you don't see the pixel ID here. You have to select your pixel ID under the community template gallery. When we open the community template gallery, this will actually load and allows you, when you search the Facebook pixel, you can able to see Facebook pixel. When you click this, and this will be added to you. This is already added. I am not adding one more time. So here, when you add this, you can able to see, and you have to select the Facebook pixel template, and here you have put your pixel ID here, and which event you want to send. Here I have select the page view, and also you have to build some custom. You have to build here. I just need to, here is the pixel page view events, page view tags that I created, and here is the page view, and I have to enable the enhanced measurement, and here you can see the all enhanced measurement are actually configured. So that is the variable that actually returns to your ClickFunnels data layer, and we can use this as much as possible. So here the all are information available on the ClickFunnels default data layer, so that we can use the same variable. So if you have the ClickFunnels for your future project, I hope you have more ClickFunnels. So you can definitely use the same variable. You can just copy on pasting all of this. So here is the country variable name. I just scrap this data from the data layer, and you can build this variable. And we have built the 3 triggers here. On is the conversion value. You can use the same code for conversion value. That is pretty complex for you, as you are new on the Google Tag Manager. So probably you need to help for this section. Definitely I will do this for a cheapest price if you have more projects like this. And then you have to click this page view, and here is the purchase. So here is the purchase is a different trigger here for the default data layer trigger for the ClickFunnels. Here is the value, currency, and order ID. Here is the number are actually all of same of this. So there are another way to do this very easily. If you want to do the same setup for your another ClickFunnels, you can definitely export this container. When you click on the export this container and the default workplace, when we export, this will allows you to download a JSON file, and you can actually export import the JSON file on your future GTM container if you want to make. So choose your here you can choose your JSON file, and just hit a submit. Okay, so that you can do this same thing on your future client, rather than creating all types of tags, triggers, and variable. You can do it shortly by downloading the exporting the Google Tag Manager, and you can import this same setup for your another future Google Tag Manager. After exporting this, you actually need to change only this meta pixel ID. So here you can see the meta pixel ID here. You just need to replace this pixel ID. when you export import this container on your future GTM. So that is the process. I am just showing I am show you as easiest as possible. So now let's check how the purchase event is working and how the everything is working. So let's click on the preview mode of the for testing. We have to click on the preview on the Google Tag Manager. So when we click on the preview of the Google Tag Manager, so before this you need to install a Google Tag Assistant Chrome extension on your Google Chrome browser. Definitely you have to use the Google Chrome browser. So you have to install the Tag Assistant. After installing the Tag Assistant Google Chrome extension, this will allows you to debugging. So when you put your destination URL and let's hit connect. Here we have, you can see we are just landing on the page of the checkout. Definitely this same page will appear on the landing page. Here is the page view. You can see the meta tags is fired successfully and meta send this data, and we definitely see this here. You can see the pixel is firing with the page view events. Here you can see the email address, phone number, external ID, everything is firing. Everything is actually sending as a hash value, not sending with the exact same parameter. Facebook by default is giving as a hash value. Okay, so you can see the all types of parameter are coming through this. So let's check it out and let's do how is everything is actually working. So now I'm just I'm just click on the checkout. So let's see how the pixel events is firing for the meta purchase, or as well as let's submit this. When you submit, you can see the purchase events are firing in here. You can see the purchase tag successfully firing with the value and the currency and the order ID here that Facebook recommend. You can see the tags is firing, and also you can verify this to viewing this Facebook meta pixel helper. That is another Google Chrome extension. You can use this. Here you can see the purchase events are actually coming on here. You can see the order ID, you can see the value, you can see also the all types of user parameter that we are sending. So as I test this, you can definitely see this purchase data under the event here. So let's wait a few more minutes. You can definitely see the purchase event in here. Also you can able to see these events under the events overview that we mentioned that is not showing. So after a few minutes later, I hope this will show you on the purchase and the multiple signal. That means the conversion API and browser pixel are working well. And actually the event mesh quality I have already told you, but I hope this will improve a bit, but I am not sure how can. If you are lucky, this will be up to 9, and this is the this is these things. So let's wait. I am just pause this video. I'll back to you a 10 or 20 minutes later to show this pixel purchase events in here and also the step section. So let's wait a few minutes. Hi, after about 20 minutes later, I'm just back, and you can see the purchase events are actually found in here on the events dashboard. You can definitely see the multiple sources, and you can see these events comes from both browser and comes from both server. So that is the conversion API, and all are getting OA and all are working. You can see the purchase events are count are already here. So this will start counting. This will take some time. So you can see the purchase events are here. That is all of the setup. And I need to mention that we are using this conversion API gateway, and on the $10 with charge within 7 days in 28 February. So here you have to add the payment method. And also we are no longer uses we are not using this is by default created, but you can just keep this lab. It is no, we are not using this, we are using this that is refers on the pixel id. That is our correct pixel id. You can see the running signal here, and that is the exact same pixel id name in here. So that is the main concept, and that is everything. I just sometimes some points seems to be complex to you if you are new on the Google Tag Manager or on the stape. So I will be happy to help you for the future project if you have with a discounted price. So I'm just say upload this video on Fiverr and submit my work. Please feel free to accept my work and share your experience. If you found this walkthrough video helpful to you, then please of course share a awesome review. That will be very helpful for my freelancing career to keep this such quality working and motivate me. I'm sorry. So thanks for watching this. Have a great day.